Tired of your job? A student looking for something real? Or maybe you just want true freedom and control over your income and your time without the startup hype. Want a real business that earns $3,000 to $5,000 a month? No crypto, no dropshipping, no affiliate scams. Just real income from real local businesses right in your neighborhood. You've seen it online, the shared cost EDDM postcard hustle. Here's how it works. You team up with multiple local businesses, put them all on one powerful postcard, and mail it to 10,000 homes in your area. You get paid before printing. The cost is shared, and you keep the profit. Simply repeat it every 15 days or once a month to cultivate a steady stream of recurring income with almost no upfront risk. Worried about design? Zero tech headaches? Our all-inclusive starter kit gives you everything you need to launch with confidence, even if you're brand new. Canva-editable postcard templates, a done-for-you agency website, step-by-step video tutorials, everything you need to launch in one bundle. This isn't theory. These are real businesses in your town. Roofers, dentists, restaurants, cleaners, all looking for visibility and happy to pay for it. You help them get seen, they keep paying you. Ready to finally build a real business that gives you control and financial freedom? Get your EDDM side hustle starter kit today at 9x12agency.com.